Good evening, loyal followers. This video is being filmed in the depths of Conk Openings facilities, so please excuse the poor microphone quality. Today, we'll be following through with our Microsoft Suite tutorial by moving on to Word. Word is a very simple and easy program to use. You can click on the page and type like so. I'm left clicking. As you can see, please subscribe. You can change the words through bolding up here, italics, underlining, or even striking through. You can also change the font type through this. There's many fonts that you can use on Word, and you can also change the text size. There's a lot of options. You can also customize this by actually typing in the box. There's also the option to highlight your text, which I'll show you now. So we want a funky red. And second to last, you can change the font color like so, by clicking here and black. A final option that you may find relevant is text to speech. If I highlight these words here, and then in the top left, I've added this already, which you can find out how to do yourself, then click it. Thank you.